Right, welcome back to Shedtune, Shedtune HQ, and we're fresh back from Newark.
Right.
All the scooters are back in the workshop after a bit of revving. And we got.
I can get this one sorted.
yeah, very true. And we were given loads of stickers. So, without further ado, we're going to attack the sticker board. I've just got to find them, and I'm not sure if anyone's mentioned it, but we won a prize.
Well, someone hasn't stopped grinning since we got back. I actually don't know what he's more happier about. The fact that we won a prize or his new Christmas present.
We won a prize!
Never has a mug been more accurate.
No, but look at that! We won something! Best scooter in the fire-up hall. Right, so we've got some stickers here from Smuggler's Scooter Club. Another Smuggler's Scooter Club's to them. Merlin Scooter Club. And the Cut Down Criminal Scooter Club? Don't know, whatever. What's the guru fall off of there?
So, Smuggler's Scooter Club. Smugglers.
There we go, up on the board of fame. What else we got? We're going to put them on the cupboard.
We've got Merlin Scooter Club. I reckon that should go up there as well.
Dom's looking taller now, isn't he?
Yeah. Amazing what a two-poster ramp can do.
On the cupboard. So much room on the cupboard. On the cupboard again.
Here we go.
Happy days. Don't forget, if you've got anything to send in.
Stickers, banner, because we're really short on banners, and I know all you love having leg shield banners lying around, so just send them down.
That's very true.
And we'll
put them on the wall of fame.
on the wall.
As promised, the start-up haul with Dom and Shedtune 81, and believe it or not, only Dom could nearly start a fight at the beginning of it because he had an argument about who was on next with a bloke from Speedway.
Who, me? Never. Come on. Only joking.
No, the garden. Oh, there's garden? Yeah. Sorry, we're talking Speedway.
Yeah, I know. So he's had his turn.
Right. Enlighten me.
81 GP from the Shedtune stable, originally built for sprinting and road.
Yes.
We used to sprint it, but then since we built the original, since we've built the full-on Sprinter, we've now decided this one and the black one, we're just going to ride on the road, but still the same engine. So.
Cool. Okay, so obviously road registered and so on.
Yep.
You know, what we saw, well, we had a few obviously from the stand over the weekend. You know, these things have had a lot of love, a lot of work on them.
Yeah.
You know, added horsepower from standard and so on, and basically had a lot of bloody money spent on them.
Yeah, it's an RB230 Darryl Taylor tuned, 31 brake, all light and flow, light and bodywork. But yeah, road going, good fun. It doesn't cost a penny, honest. No.
Get out.
No, it doesn't if my wife's watching.
Yeah, right, everybody's with you on that.
Yeah.
But no, obviously, well, it doesn't matter if it's your pride and joy you're spending.
Oh yeah, no.
Just to be flipping happy, but you know,
Yeah, without a doubt.
You know, it's obviously everybody's got, everybody passionate about different things, whether it's a race bike, a road bike, a classic bike, doesn't matter what it is, a scooter, it doesn't matter. It's just you bury your money in whatever makes you, puts a smile on your face.
Oh, it's great fun. It's 10-inch wheels, 30 brake, flying down the road, and it just gets the blood going. So it's great fun. Have
they always been a passion of yours, scooter? You know, are you a Green Park man, are you flipping minstrel, you still flipping causing trouble and doing what you do?
I can honestly say I've never owned a Green Parker, but I was there in the 80s, so that was it.
Right, let's hear a run of them, mate, please.
Right. Hopefully, it's a Lambretta. Yeah. Which key is it? Tell us mine. Ain't gonna sound nothing like that. And it ticks over.
Give him a round of applause, thank you very much. Thanks, buddy.
What? Have you fell over? I thought, go on then.
So, that was Shedtune 81. I hope you liked what you saw. Like and subscribe.
And the Oscar goes to